Today I'm going to show you how to create a Google form. You go to log into Google, and then you go to Forms, and then you hit blank, and it's going to load an untitled form. For this, let's title it Favorite Part of the Holidays. Alright, and then you hit Untitled Question, and then you just start with question. What is your favorite side dish? And it gives you the best possible answer format for it that they believe. You hit required, so they have to answer the question. And then you go on to the next one. What is your favorite holiday? And we're going to change this to multiple choice. And we're going to do Christmas, Thanksgiving, Easter, Halloween. I'm going to scroll down. Valentine's Day. Ooh, I spelled that wrong. Valentine's Day, and then the last one I'll do is New Year's. Alrighty, and then we're going to scroll down and make it required. And then I'm going to add another question. Who is your favorite person to see during the holidays? During the holidays, and why? Alright, and I'm going to make that one required. And so cool thing you can do is you can hit this button, and then you can add a picture. Let's search a picture. Food. And you can scroll through and it'll give you different kinds of foods. Nope, we're gonna go a little farther down. So we're gonna go back up to this one. Then you're gonna select it, and it's gonna load the image, and then it's gonna pop up between that and then the answer. Also, with a multiple choice, you can choose a picture for each answer. I'm going to select that one, and then it's going to pop up with, it'll be show this for Christmas. And then if you go back up to the top and hit settings, you can show them what you can choose. If you want email addresses, how many times, show progress bar, shuffle order. You can make it a quiz, And if you go over here to the paint thing, you can customize your header. Go to party, because it's about holidays. And I'm going to choose this one. Alright, and then you can do your theme color, your background color, and you can also change your font size. Let's go to decorative, and this is how it is. And then you can click out your theme options, and we're going to preview what it is, and this is what it's going to look like. And then you can submit after you're done. And so, set, you can go over here and do all of those things. And then you can send it to a person, you can link it, or you can even embed the code. And that is how you create a Google form.